Hello, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, or if you watched a couple of them, can I ask a big favour? If you just scroll down a little bit, there's that little box and it says subscribe. If you can just click that for us, you'd be marvellous, wonderful, brilliant, amazing, fantastic, and anything else that sounds like that. So anyway, today it is a bank holiday Monday. And I am in the workshop, I am doing some work. Reason being is because I work for myself. I make the signs, I do some other bits and pieces as well, and I've got the family to sort out and everything else like that, that I need to try to grab any chance I get to actually be in here. So the weather outside ain't the best, it's a bit damp, it might rain, it might not rain. The kids were out yesterday, they were out on Saturday, they've been all over the place. So I'm working now, I'm going to catch up on what I can, because the kids are off school for the next 2 weeks. If I get a day where it's a little bit quiet and we can go off and we can do something somewhere, then we will do, rather than leaving all the orders that have come in so far over the weekend. Oh yes, orders over the weekend, and having to squeeze them in whilst having the kids screaming at me, "Daddy, we want to go somewhere, do something." So yeah, so I've got to get it done. Now you may remember in one of the last videos I'd done, I said in the run up to Easter it became very quiet. It was that quiet that overnight we were getting like 1 or 2 orders come in, and the other jobs we do for the commercial clients and everything else like that had all slowed down. And I said in that one, over the Easter weekend people will be doing the decorating, they'll be doing other bits and pieces, and they'll be looking to order new stuff to get things done. And sure enough, I've got a pile of about 20 orders that I need to work through right now, but I'm expecting more to come in overnight tonight, because it's normally mildly busy on a Sunday night, but every time it's the bank holiday, that Sunday night becomes a Monday night and you start getting orders in on the Monday night. So yeah, I've got an Easter egg here, not sponsored, I purchased that, but if you want to sponsor me, I'm up for that. So yeah, I've got a pile of orders here to start working through. So yeah, I'm only going to spend a couple of hours out here today, and I'll aim to get this video uploaded later tonight if I can. And yeah, let's crack on with it and get it done. Okay, well that's it. That's all I'm going to do today. Obviously, as you just saw, I've made up some of these signs. Red background, white signs. Made up some other ones and some smaller ones I've already packaged up and other bits and pieces. I'm not going to bother to do any of the wall art today. I'll do that tomorrow. I've made a dent in what's coming over the weekend, which is what I wanted to do and what's all important. So yeah, great to have you here again. I'm going to leave these overnight like that. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, and until the next video, bye bye.